Noisy bath time. Blink went the bath plug. Whoosh went the tap. Swish went Mummy Hippo's hand. Plop went the yellow duck. Splish went little hippo. Splash went little hippo. Splosh went little hippo. Pop went the bubbles. Slip went the soap. Slide went little hippo. Squeeze went the flannel. Squish went the sponge. Bob went the boat. Squirt went the toy whale. Giggle went little hippo. Blunk went the bath plug. Gurgle went the bath water. Shake went little hippo. Splatter went the water drops. Rub went the towel. Squeak went the steamy mirror. Snuggle went little hippo. Cuddle went little hippo and Mummy Hippo. The end.